Okay, if triangle MNO is congruent to triangle PQR, which of the following can you not conclude as being true? So I've rewritten down here this, rewritten just this names, because what I want to do, I know it's kind of grainy because I took a small thing and blew it up, but I want to kind of just highlight here that, okay, MN, as they give us in the first one, that's the first two letters, needs to correspond with these two letters here. Right away, that does not agree with what we know. Okay, so we're going to just mark that for a second and check the rest of them. So let's see. Angle M corresponds with angle P. Yep, that agrees with our congruent statement. NO corresponds with QR. That also agrees with our congruent statement. And angle N, the middle angle, corresponds with Q. Also agrees with our congruent statement. So this is the one that doesn't seem to fit. We're done.